2015 Freightliner Cascadia repower. Removed a DD15, installed in 1995, 12.7 liter, 0-mile engine. Installed a stack all the way up, exhaust all the way to the front of the engine, remove the one box completely, no def, she's ready to go.